Today we will be looking at Godox QT2 series flash. In the QT series 2 we have Godox QT1200, QT600 and QT400. So the QT series is built in with the Godox 2.4G wireless X system, so it can be controlled using the X1 T trigger, X2 T trigger and the X Pro triggers, and also the triggers that comes along with it. And it fully supports 1 by 8000 second high speed sync, multi flash, delay flash, mask function, or your optical slave triggering and custom function. So the QT series has built-in Godox 2.4G wireless system. So and it has 16 groups and 32 channels, and it also has several flash modes and the precise color temperature, some of its highlights as well. So some of the flash modes that it supports is stable color temperature mode, high speed flash mode, high speed sync flash mode. The color temperature variation in the stable color temperature is 5600 plus or minus 200 Kelvin. So it will suit the people who pursue stable color temperature in their genre of photography. And uh, in the high speed flash mode, it varies between 5400 to 9000 Kelvin. And in the high speed sync flash mode, it varies between 4600 to 5000 Kelvin. Fast speed and multi-freeze performance. So in any strobe that needs to do a faster speed of flashing and multi-freeze is expected, they need to have two things. One is a faster recycle time and another is the short flash duration. The QTC has a faster recycle time of 0.05 to 0.9 seconds, and it has a short flash duration of around 1 by 316 to 1 by 28,984. It is for the QT600 and QT400, whereas the QT1200 varies between 1 by 256 to 1 by 25,640. So this ultra short flash duration helps it to achieve 10 continuous flashes per second, which is a fascinating thing. And so you can get to see shoot these kind of faster actions using the QT series. And it has an accurate power output and convenient operation. So it varies between 1 to 1 by 128, and the modeling lamp is 150 watts power, and the light brightness of the modeling lamp can be adjusted between 5% to 100%. Some of the other technical data which has not been told in the side is that it has a guide number. QT1200 has a guide number of 102 and QT600 has a guide number of 76, whereas QT400 it is 65. And the flash duration varies based on the power, the potential difference, to whether it's 220 volts or the 110 volts. And the color temperature variation, we have seen it in the top, we have discussed about it. So the recycle time of QT series is that it varies between 0.05 to 0.9 seconds for QT1200 and QT600, whereas for QT400 it recycles a little bit faster as well. It recycles between 0.05 to 0.7 seconds. So when you talk, and the output level at the manual normal mode is from 1 by 1 to 1 by 128, and during the HSS it goes low till 1 by 16, can't go beyond that. And in the multi flash mode it goes from a power range of the lowest power range of 1 by 128 to the topmost power range of 1 by 8. And the multi flash thing is that the max flash time is 99 and the max flash frequency is 30. So sync mode, yes, it has high speed sync, first current sync and second current sync, display flash from 0.01 to 30 seconds, delay flash, it has mask function, fan, beeper, modeling lamp of 150 watts, slave trigger mode, display flash duration and display. So the other quite important thing is that its transmission range is 50 meter. It's a AC powered strobe, so it's going to be used within the studio, but still it has a transmission range of 50 meters, and it has a 16 group varying between 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. So a vast range of lights can be controlled as well. And the net weight of the QT1200 is 4.26 kg, whereas the QT600 and QT400 weighs around 2.96 kg.